Hi, I'm John with one of my patients from last year that did a FUE hair transplant. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Perfect. So we did about 1,000 to 1,200 grafts FUE on the corners. How do you like it?
It's been great. It was a great procedure and it was really nice. I really liked it.
Wonderful. How was the procedure day? Was it good?
Yeah, it was great. I mean, everything from the start to the finish, it was everything went according to plan. Everything was easy, and it was an easy procedure. Not painful at all.
Perfect. Has this changed your life? I mean, do you see a big difference?
Yeah, it's a major difference. Night and day, and the great thing that no one noticed when my hair started coming in, it's been so seamless. It's been awesome.
Perfect. Do you recommend having FUE hair transplant by Dr. Sean to other people?
Yeah, I would definitely recommend it.
I'm going to take a look at the actual hair follicles and how dense they are. I had the uplights on, so I had to turn them off so that we can look at the density. This is really dense pack. I really like it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Not just that, but also the angle and the direction of the hairs are just perfect. It flows very well with his own natural hair direction, which goes from the right to left, as well as on this side as well. Could you please turn around just slightly? Perfect. See that density? It flows in very well. That's great density. You like it, huh?
Yep.
Wonderful. Well, congratulations, sir.
Thank you.